Here is how you install the latest Arduino IDE on your Windows PC. First, start your favorite web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge if you want to. Yeah, I will start Firefox. Now the important thing is to download it directly from Arduino's website, not from where Google tells you to download it or not from some shady ad. We want the latest stable version without viruses. So let's go to arduino.cc and you should see this website. So let's go to software. And then you can see Arduino IDE 2.2.1. This is currently the latest version. Maybe there is already a later version. Now it is important to not download a nightly build because this can be unstable and it has some bugs. We don't want nightly builds. We want this Windows version here. And there is 3 different options. So usually the best option of these 3 is the first one. If you're an administrator of the PC, just go with the first one. The second one gives you a little bit more options, but it's not necessary. And the last one, you can actually create a portable installation, which allows you to run Arduino IDE on a PC where you don't have administrator access. But if you have administrator access, go with the first one. Arduino tries to get some money. I already bought so many Arduinos, I will just download. So now the download is complete. Depending on your browser settings, usually you should find this in your downloads folder. Double tap, read the terms of service if you want to, agree. Then you will be asked if you want to install it for everyone on this computer or just for you. In my case, I will install it just for me. And then you can pick a destination folder. I will just leave it as is and install Arduino IDE. It's finally done. We can run Arduino and finish the installation. My firewall apparently blocks Arduino. I will allow the access. And again, it's still downloading some stuff. And now it is also trying to install some drivers. But you don't have to do it manually. Everything comes in this package and you just have to install all of these drivers to make sure every single Arduino board out there works, because there are different Arduino boards with different drivers. Okay, I think we're done. In order to test this installation, I need to connect my Arduino. In my case, I have this Arduino Uno. Using my USB cable, I will connect my Arduino to my PC. On this drop-down menu here, you will find Arduino Uno. In my case, it's on COM port 4. Just select it. In order to verify if everything works, we can now try to upload a sketch. I press this arrow button here, which compiles our current sketch and uploads it to the board. Now this is an empty sketch, so the Arduino is basically doing nothing. It worked. If you see some error messages at this point and you can't make any sense of it, please let me know in the comments down below. If this video was helpful, you managed to install Arduino IDE, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you're ready to dive deep into the world of Arduino. Check out this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.